Arabia 407, wind variable 04 knots, runway 27, clear for takeoff.
Runway 27, clear for takeoff, Arabia 407.
Okay. Man is doing takeoff now. He's rolling.
Checked.
Checked.
Runway straight ahead inside.
Expect delayed clearance.
Roger.
Lufthansa Cargo 8370, wind variable 04 knots, runway 27, clear to land.
Lufthansa Cargo 8370, runway 27, clear to land.
400. 300.
Wind from the right with about 5 knots.
Approaching minimum. Minimum.
Continue.
100. 50, 40, 30, 20, 10.
Spoilers deployed. Hundreds. I have control.
You have control. Outer brake disarm.
Manual brakes. Okay, November 10.
Lufthansa Cargo 8370, vacate to November 10, for the right 10 November.
Lufthansa Cargo 8370, right turn November 10. Light goes off.